Ulan. Okay na pala. We're here. We're entering the underground river.
Palabas din kayo mag-iwasay? Thank you. Thanks again.
Gusto mo ka na?
Salamat.
Okay, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to Princesa Subterranean River National Park, the World Heritage Site. My name is Dave. I will be your tour guide this afternoon. Nice meeting you. The tour will take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. And we are allowed to explore inside of the cave 1.5 kilometers. Visiting 1.5 kilometers, you need another special permit. This cave found on 1887. The cave discovered on 1887, and the first discovered this cave are Tagbanwa, the tribe in Palawan. The Tagbanwa tribe were the first inhabitants in Sabang on 1887. But it is started to open to the tourists on March 26, 1971.
Ma'am, pwede mo ba siyang pakasulat?
According to the scientists, the cave is millions of years. 23 million is estimated in the scientists. The river is 8.2 kilometers long. Physical navigable is 4.3 kilometers. And it is reputed to be the longest navigable underground river in the world. Anyway, Sir Mom, my importance reminders, when you look up, don't try to open your mouth. Because the drop water, that's not a holy water. Sometimes that's a holy ship. The tip of the river is 27 feet. And the river is narrowed into the sea. The half of the water in the river is brackish.
Oh gosh, sorry.
Combination of salt water and fresh water.
Huwag naman ako ha.
And during high tide, sir, to your right side, sir. Right side. Okay, sa kanan po. There the marker of water during high tide. Lower, sir. The dark line, lower. There. During high tide, starting from during high tide. Hello, to your right side, sir, this is a bat cave or bat. Nice to meet you. The bats. Only bats inside. A rock formation inside. This is a limestone or marble. In a yellowish color, this is a cave formation. That is called glowstone. A glowstone made with a tiny water flowing upward. There's many fish in the water, mouse. We have fish in the water. We have eel, lionfish, crabs, and shrimps. But the fishing is not allowed. At the ceiling, Sir Mom, look up at the ceiling. 28 meters high above the water level. Don't say wow, monster, when you look up. Because when you say wow, your mouth is open. Beware for the passion.
Yung mga paniki, oh.
There's so many inhabitants inside of the
Yung
cave.
paniki,
We have
oh.
bats, birds, snakes. We have two kinds of snakes inside
Hindi mo
of
naman
the
ito.
water.
Hindi mo kami straight.
Sabi niya taas lang.
why there's no mosquitoes inside. Even dark inside, there's no mosquito. Because the mosquito are a common source of food the bats' food. During 7 o'clock in the evening, during nighttime, bats they come out. There is no permanent life inside, because if there's a life inside, maybe all the inhabitants inside of the cave are disturbed by the lights. Anyway, so stalactites yan.
Brown.
Yeah, stalactites from the main. Okay, consider that the ceiling looks like a cloud. Okay, close your mouth. Whenever you like, open your mouth, close your eyes. Feel the heat. Oh.
Ang dami nila oh. Sayang wala tong zoom.
Ano, ba't? Video cam.
Sayang nga. Hina pa naman to. Maganda sana medyo maano. Ano
Ang
to?
labo ng video cam eh.
Pwede na yun.
Labo rin eh.
Naririnig mo ba kami? Nandito na kami sa loob. Kokat.
Pa yung helmet ko.
Very good. Lingon-lingon ka kasi.
Ha?
Angat na angat ka kasi.
Ito matama kaya dito.
Listen to people. Nagbabounce yung ulo.
Circular formation to your front. There looks like a dinosaur. Natural formation stalactites. The name rock formation stalactite.
Dito kami.
Yan o. Ito pa.
To your left side, sir.
To our left side.
A little bit right. Forward, there. Around formation around. This is called Olo, rock formation, because the stalagmite and stalactite, they are combined.
Para simba.
Formation looks like a coral.
Para simbahan ah.
Ayun, yung ano.
That's the main gate. Blessed Mother, Virgin Mary. Up there. Right a little bit right. The big formation looks like a giant melted candle. Next, angel, lower. Next, lion. There, lion.
Left. Ngayon kabayo may pakpak na kanya.
Side front lion, Pegasus.
Para siyang Pegasus po.
A little bit left. Yes, more lower. Okay, more lower. There.
Holy Family.
Next formation is the Holy Family. There. Holy Family or the Baby Jesus. The next part of our tour is the market. To your front, sir, lower there. It's like a cocoa food. Wow. And at the bottom, sir, a little bit right. Right a little. Looks like a garlic and onion. Next formation is corn. The other one, corn. Big corn. To your left side, sir. Left side. Giant mushroom. The other side, sir. To your right side. There. It's like a cucumber, right a little bit light.
Cucumber. Pipino.
This is one for sayote.
Sayote.
Sayote cabbage. One. Next is metal gourd.
Bitter gourd.
At the ceiling, sir, forward and front. A little bit right. Banana heart or banana blossom.
Puso ng saging.
Daming bats. Daming bats.
Nga eh.
Open your mouth.
Next is carrot.
Open your mouth.
Next, buns. You wait for the bud shit, sir, ma'am. Close your mouth to see wow. To your left side, sir, chicken breast.
Picho.
Okay, to your right side, sir, lower, little bit left. The other one is like eagle. Bird. Eagle. Lower, little bit right.
Okay.
Tumutulo na.
Next formation, to your right side, sir, up. Little bit left. Up more, left, more. There, looks like a man inside of two dogs. Name is Centro in a marble. Okay, to your right side, sir, ma'am. This is the famous mountain in Manila. There, Smoky Mountain. Dati po. Ay, wala na.
Dito na pala.
Tuloy na po ito. The garbage disposal and the brown color there, that's guano, natural fertilizer coming from the waste bags. To your parameters that you have there. This is called highway, like autobahn. In this part, there's a many stalactites formation in there. This is called the stalactites gallery. Stalactite formation. That one.
Hello.
Di ano mo sila?
Hello.
Okay, ma'am, sir. This is the exit point. Starting point of our tour. Proceeding 120 kilometers in the Israel. 420 kilometers now.
Parang highway talaga. Oh, ganda. Di ano mga totoo? Wait lang din. Wait. Sa ilaw.
Kaya nga.
Hindi nakikita na ilaw.
Nakikita. Kaya lang di abot.
One slice ng great one. Long light pass.
Hola Boots. Hola Dora.
Besides those there, on your right side, sir, the Shelly blessings of the priest 1970. Blessings 1972 in church. May the priest escape. One of the lessons. Another names there for March 18, 1927. Maybe this cave uses hiding.
Another
Okay,
cross.
the highest ceiling, sir, up at the ceiling.
Oh.
5 meters height above water level. Close your mouth when you look up. It's not the holy water. Into your front, sir. There. The formation is not as round as the
Hi guys.
Ano to?
Ano yan? Meron makikita.
Hindi. Ano yun? May inaano ako, may insekto.
Low watts. Yes, low watts. Oh, glitters. Okay.
Kung marinig ang ingay.
Wala, 22 minutes na rin tayo sa lahat. Diyan makikita yung minutes na natin.
All right. Yeah, right.
Kung marinig ang ingay. Hindi na niya kaya. Hindi niya na kaya pag sobrang lang.
Ito rin, side sa kanya. Siyempre may meters na lang.
Atay. Teka lang, mami. Nangawit na ako eh.
Front, sir. Right. There. A white one there. Animation is like a naked women. Wow. Very Sharon Stone. Even this is a river monster, there is no dangerous crocodile here because there's no sunlight inside the cave. There's crocodile here, maybe all the monsters. It's very dangerous.
boats.
Information, sir, on your website, sir. There's like a problem ship, Titanic.
Alright.
5 minutes to board.
Pwede. Pwede.
Naman.
Wala ako.
Sige, sige. Ikaw. Sila, sa likod.
Saan na ba yung ilaw mo?
Wala ako.
Okay, to your right side, sir. Little bit left. Left more. Left, up, left, little. It's like a shark. Real shark.
Ano?
Yeah, it looks like a stone.
Stone naman talaga yan.
Saan na kayo mo?
Oo, hindi ba lumulutang yan? Ha? Hindi ba lumulutang? Sakit sa mata ng ilo. Mag 1 hour na tayo nagtutur.
Portugal na sa bayan.
Kaya no, seconds na lang yan dulo.
Left side, sir. It's like a Jurac formation.
Kasi... okay.
Ay, 1 hour lang yan. 1 hour lang yan.
Ha?
1 hour lang yan.
To your left side, sir. Left, lower, side of the cave, anything else. Cannot be past there.
Yeah.
Like cut?